Hey friends, today I want to talk to you about your past. Yes, your past is your past. You have the ability to move on when you are willing to make changes in your life and you're willing to build healthy habits, and also you're willing to let go of the things that no longer serve you. You may have people in your life that maybe you have had for a long time, and for a long time they have either abused you because you have not spoken up, or you may have had people who they have traumatized you along the way because you did not know your worth or your value. And so along the way, you had to put up with a lot of things which the Lord is not calling you to put up with anymore, because the Lord is beginning to reveal to you how you are set apart, how you are special to Him, how you are loved and accepted, and just knowing that you are not rejected. So, a lot of those things, when you're willing to change, you need support, you need community. I am here to let you know that I am here to walk alongside you and to help you along the way if you're willing to take on this journey. I will put the link at the bottom if you're interested in starting this healing journey for yourself, but you have to be willing to say those things that are important to you. So, friends, you can heal from your past, and you don't have to tolerate the things that happened to you before. You can heal, and you have the ability to heal. Have a great day.